because when you want to eat it, it is chewy in the mouth. You see how tiny they are, but I want to make it my own. So I soaked it. Peel these edges, which are going to be strong. I already did that on these ones. Okay. So you don't throw anything away, okay? So you are peeling that skin, which was supposed to already be strong. And if it is too strong, just cut it off. Thank you so much. Continue to leave your messages, people. I appreciate you. You don't want it chewy in your mouth, right? You want to chew and swallow. Here we show you green processes. Everything is authentic from scratch.